We tend to think of our solar system as this neat little family of 8 planets, all orbiting the sun. But what if I told you that our entire home is wrapped in this vast, mysterious shell, a shell that's holding a secret that could literally change everything we think we know?
It's a question we've all probably wondered about, right? What's out there past Neptune? Well, the answer is a lot of nothing, and maybe, just maybe, everything. We're talking about a region of space so immense it makes the rest of our solar system look tiny. This is the true final frontier.
And to really wrap your head around the scale here, just think about Voyager 1. It's the fastest thing humanity has ever launched, and it's been screaming through space for decades. Even so, it's going to take another 300 years just to reach the inner edge of this place. That's how unbelievably vast it is.
So, what is this place? We call it the Oort Cloud, and it's basically the theoretical boundary of our solar system. It's not some solid wall, but this enormous, invisible sphere where the sun's gravity just barely hangs on before giving way to the great dark of interstellar space. I absolutely love this description. It's so perfect. Just picture it. Hold up a single grain of sand. That's the sun and all the planets, everything we know. The entire room you're sitting in right now, that's the Oort Cloud. It's this ghostly sphere of trillions of icy bodies just surrounding us in every single direction.
Okay, so it's a giant theoretical sphere of ice. Why should we care? Well, because it's not totally quiet out there. It's actually the birthplace of some of the most spectacular visitors that ever grace our night sky.
And it's really important to remember that this is a theoretical idea. An astronomer named John Oort came up with it way back in 1950, trying to figure out where certain comets were coming from. We can't actually see the cloud itself, but we definitely see its effects. And the difference between our neighborhood and the Oort cloud is just fascinating. Our solar system, the part with the planets, it's pretty flat and orderly, kind of like a spinning record. But the Oort cloud, it's a completely chaotic spherical bubble all around us. It's a whole different ballgame. And that chaos is what creates all the magic. Picture this. For billions of years, a chunk of ice is just lazily orbiting way out in the dark. Then, maybe a star passes by, or even the gravitational tide of our own Milky Way galaxy gives it this tiny little nudge. And that's all it takes. That nudge sends it on a million-year journey, plunging toward our sun to become one of those brilliant long-period comets we see from Earth.
But here is where the story takes an absolutely mind-bending turn. The Oort cloud might be the birthplace of comets, sure, but some scientists are starting to think it's hiding something much, much bigger.
This is the question that's driving a whole new wave of cosmic detective work. For decades, the assumption was that the Oort cloud was just leftover junk from the solar system's formation. But what if, hiding among those trillions of icy snowballs, there's an actual planet?
There are two incredible theories for what this could be. On one hand, you have the scattered child. The idea here is that our solar system once had a fifth gas giant that got too close to Jupiter and was literally kicked out, becoming our own long-lost sibling exiled to the Oort cloud. Then there's the even wilder idea, the stolen world. This theory suggests our sun's gravity actually snatched a rogue planet that was born around a totally different star and was just wandering through the galaxy.
And hey, this isn't just wild speculation. Astronomers have found real clues. When they look at really distant objects, like the dwarf planet Sedna, they see their orbits are all strangely clustered together. It's like something massive and unseen, a shepherd planet they've nicknamed Planet 9, is tugging on them with its gravity. Now, if this hidden planet is a stolen one, well, the implications are just staggering. It would connect the deepest, darkest part of our own backyard to the search for alien life.
Just let that sink in for a second. We spend all this time and money looking for alien worlds light years away, but we might have one right here, orbiting our very own sun, just hidden in the cold and the dark. So if our sun really did capture a planet from another star system, that planet would basically be a time capsule. It could be carrying chemical fingerprints or biosignatures from where it was born. I mean, we could potentially find the building blocks of life that evolved somewhere else in the galaxy without ever having to leave our own solar system. How cool is that? Okay, so this is an amazing cosmic mystery. But how do you solve it? I mean, how do you actually find a dark planet in a region of space so big that our fastest probe takes 300 years just to get to the front door? Well, the hunt has been going on for a long time. It started as just an idea in 1950, then we got some really compelling evidence in 2014. But the real breakthrough, that could be right around the corner. Meet the hero of our story, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory. Starting in 2025, it's going to do something incredible. Basically, create a movie of the entire night sky. By taking pictures over and over, it's designed to spot the faint, slow crawl of a massive object moving against the backdrop of faraway stars. This could be it. This could be the proof we've been waiting for.
So, the Oort Cloud. It's the final frontier of our solar system, where our little island in space ends and the true ocean of the cosmos begins. What do you think its biggest secret is? Is it a lost member of our own planetary family? A captured world from another star? Or is it something so strange we haven't even thought of it yet? The answer is out there, waiting for us in the dark.